Beautiful friends, welcome back again to the garden. It's a beautiful morning and it was raining yesterday, and look at those things. As you can see, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot, and then I have a lot of burning leaves on those flowers. But you know what, I can't complain too much. I have a lot of beautiful, you guys know what I'm doing now. I'm just deadhead this plants over here. I have a few plants hiding over there, and those are my plants. When I have my next place, I'm gonna make a house with all those big blue cypress. It's like when you the entrance, this is where I am planting them. I don't have the place yet, guys, but in my mind I'm already picture what I'm going to do in my next place. I have everything on paper. It's, yeah, don't think I'm crazy, but it just everything is right there. I know exactly how I'm gonna plant them, how everything gonna look out. That's what I'm still buying plants now. And yesterday I went to buy two nice, beautiful plants. They really nice. And then I think on Monday I'm gonna bring them to my friend house because I don't wanna leave too much thing here. But yeah, that's the reason I am keep buying stuff here, and I'm good with that. And since I've been sick, I didn't go that much in the flea market or to the nursery. I've been taking a break, but I can't wait. When I feel better, I can go out to start buying stuff. This is where I find my pleasure. That's what makes me happy when I'm buying plant. Yeah. Yeah, I've been taking a break, and yesterday I was feeling a little bit better. I went to Home Depot, guys. I saw a lot of beautiful trees. I already know I am gonna go for those trees. I just right now I can't lift nothing. I am praying my mom wants to go with me to help me carry those plants, and I want to get them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you for another video on the garden.